Give me that stick. Give me a stick. Give me a stick. Give me a stick. Has no idea how to play fetch. Stick's not even big enough to. I can't grab that, it's too small. Get a real stick. You have to get a real stick. No, get a real stick. That's not a real stick. That's just a chunk. Yeah. He's right on the edge. Oh. He hates this.
When you came in, I was on the phone with the butcher.
With who? Oh. I'm gonna go wide. He needs to get back in here. Go! Oh, he's in the barn. Yeah! Nope. Wrong way, though.
He goes this way. That's where I wanted to go in.
Yeah, right there. Nope. Ah! Hi, Hank. I'm gonna run in there and lift the fence, because that's what's stopping him. That's where he keeps running to. Come on. Hey. Why don't you go in the fence? We'll stop shooting. It is. Go. Come on. There is no fence, Hank. You can walk right over it. Look, right there. He ought to see that. But that's as good as it gets. Ah! God. I have no idea where you got out.
Well, that was down right there, the bottom one.
Yeah, that'll work. Maybe. Night, turk. Night.
Still got ice out. Okay. Oh, now you got 3 leaks.
Good Lord.
That's him right in front of the gate. That was easier said than done. We appreciate it. God bless him. In all seriousness, joking aside, we do take this part for real. If it didn't, then there'd be something wrong with it. After Jed shoots, he will be completely dead, but he is going to make a lot of noise, like we just said. He's going to flop for a minute. But he is done. It's just his nerves that are coming out of there. But
So the reason we shoot the turkey like that is because, and I may have mentioned this before, but The times that we've just done it with a knife, so you cut their neck or whatever, and they start the bleeding out. There's like a 10 count between when you actually cut and they start the autonomic nervous response, the flopping thing. When you shoot them, like it's immediate lights out, and the autonomic nervous response, like there's no delay. It's like immediate unconsciousness and then the autonomic response. So it seems more humane to do it like that. I don't think the animal feels anything. I think it's just immediate unconsciousness followed by brain death, which it sounds terrible, but I mean it's killing it. So it seems more humane that way. I don't think there's really any pain reception. I don't think it has time to reach the brain before the brain is destroyed, basically. I want to show you something interesting. If you know anything about guns, you're probably aware of the difference between Full Metal Jacket and hollow point. But I wanted to show you, this is a really good example of it. You don't get to see that often. That is last year. That was a Full Metal Jacket shot. It's 115 grain, 9mm round. Went straight through, obviously. And that's the exit for the Full Metal Jacket. This one was this year. That is a hollow point, Hydroshock hollow point. And you can definitely see the difference in the expansion, the way it's cracked out like that. And that's at a really close range. I mean, it's the same range for both shots, but you can definitely see the expansion there and the difference in it just from that close of a range. That's Full Metal Jacket. That's hollow point. So there's a pretty distinct difference between the two, and that's just a 9mm round. Like, it's not big by any means, but that gives you an idea of what what the physics of the projectile in flight and the impact of it when it imparts its kinetic energy on whatever object it hits. And of course, hollow points are designed to expand like that. The front of them open up, kind of like a flower petal, and it definitely did that. So, and you can see this in other things too, but I just thought that was interesting because you could distinctly tell it from the hard plastic that it hit. But that's why we do the shooting thing. Seems better for everybody, honestly. It seems pretty immediate. So anyway, turkey cleaned up good. There's all the feathers. Turkey was freaking heavy, so gonna be a lot of turkey. He was heavy. I'd say he's over 30 pounds. That's what it felt like. Yeah, it is turkey. I needed 8 seconds of footage to make this 8 minutes.
Oh, hello.
Hello.